Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. SSET Englishtown.
Guys, it is Jane. I am here for my Monday, Wednesday, Friday 1B at 4 o'clock in room 501. Today we will be learning writing, alright? So today's lesson is going to be a bit tricky. So we're going to expand on what we learned last time about past tense, and today we're going to focus on irregular past tense verbs. Now, irregular past tense verbs are verbs that the word changes when it becomes past tense. It does not end in ed like other words do. For example, is becomes was. Go becomes went. So this is what we're going to work on today. All right, so if you will open your book to page 34, skill lesson 9, all right? So unfortunately, when it comes to irregular past tense, there's not a specific rule for how to follow or understand or really know what words follow this. You kind of just have to memorize the words, unfortunately. So it's going to take a bit of time, okay? So let's start. So, number 1, I drink a lot of milk with my cookies. So, drink is going to become drank. Drank. All right? So I want you to rewrite the sentence and replace drink with drank. All right? Good. Number 2. We fly on an airplane to go visit my grandparents. We want to change fly to flew. We flew on an airplane to go visit my grandparents. All right? My teacher teaches us a lot of things. So teach becomes taught. Now this one's very tricky and is often forgotten. Taught. It's like caught, all right, with a T. Taught. Teach, taught. Okay. So my teacher taught us a lot of things. Number 4, I ride on my bicycle to go to the park. So ride becomes rode. I rode on my bicycle to go to the park. Okay. So number 5, wear. I wore my scarf to play in the snow. Wore. Okay. 6, eat. I eat a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for lunch. I ate the peanut butter and jelly sandwich for lunch. Ate. Good. Okay, number 7. We buy new dresses for the party at the store. Buy will become bought. This one is with an O, not an A. So try not to get those confused, okay? All right, I write in my journal at night before I go to sleep. This one has 2. So I wrote in my journal before I went to sleep. Number 9, I feed my dog his food before leaving for school. Feed becomes fed. Fed. All right, fed. Number 10, we hold each other's hands so we wouldn't get lost. Hold becomes held. We held each other's hands so we wouldn't become lost. All right, so Once you have those written down, we'll learn yet another rule about irregular past tense, okay? So, on page 35, we are going to learn that some words stay the same, all right? So, for this example, put is put, hit is hit, cut is cut, read is read, okay? So there's no way to use those words to tell us what sentence is past tense. So we need to add another word to make the sentence past tense, all right? So number one, I hit the ball with my bat this morning. So that lets me know this morning is over with, okay? Number two, I cut shapes out to make an art project. I cut shapes out to make an art project last week. You see what I'm doing? I'm adding something to the end of the sentence to let me know that this is over, okay? Number three, I read a book called The Tortoise, that's a terrible word, Tortoise, and the Hare before bed last night. Number four, I put plates on the table before dinner. For dinner yesterday. All right. So see, even though our words that were underlined stayed the same, we added something to the sentence to let us know that it's done with and over and in the past, all right? So now, we're going to change the action word in right sentences. So number one, find becomes found. Find, found. We found money. Number two, sleep becomes slept. I slept in my bed. Number three, take becomes took. Took. He took my toy. So leave is left, like left hand, okay? Spelled the same. So left, he left a while ago. Number five, wake is woke. Woke. I woke early this morning. Okay? And then hide becomes hid. I hid behind the chair. So this, we changed the word and worked on making our own sentences that are past tense. So if you'll turn the page, your job is to go through and change the underlined words to past tense words, okay? And rewrite the stories. So I want you to do that for each one, and then on page 37, you have to write 3 past tense stories about the picture you are seeing. And remember, past tense. It happened, it's done with, not anymore, okay? All right, so this was a really quick lesson, but that is all I have for you today, and I hope to see everybody in class next time. Have a great day, guys.
Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. SSET Englishtown.